Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can disable text chat on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already opened my Roblox application, and first thing first, we're going to go to the Roblox setting. I'm going to select more option here, and then we're going to go to the settings. And in the setting guys, you need to choose privacy and content restriction. Select this menu and you're going to choose communication and go to the experience chat. And if you want to disable the text chat, you can select no one, so no one can text you on Roblox. And now these settings has been updated. Okay, and you can also turn off the direct chat here if you want, but here I'm just going to disable the text chat. And okay guys, that's how we can disable text chat on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.